Hello everyone, welcome to tutorial. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you some basic commands of Revit for family creation. Now let's get started. On families, click New. Now we are going to create furniture, so we're going to select metric furniture. We're going to set our views. So go to View tab and click Tile Views. So we have here top view. We have here top view, here front view, here left view, and this one is for the 3D view. Okay. So let's get started by creating reference planes. So type RP, just create lines from here, using the RP command. These RPs will be our basic guidelines. Okay. We are going to create today a very basic sofa. So now we're gonna type DI, which 4 dimension, and then click on equal. So will be the backrest, the armrest, and then the seat of the armchair. So this one, click here, DI, click here, DI, click here, then here. Okay, then here, and here. Okay. So now we'll make this 300. Since we created a dimension with equal dimension in here, so when we select this and then change it to 400, it will automatically, the other side will automatically be adjusted. But then this one, I'm gonna manually type 150, and then here I'm gonna be tabbing up 150. So now same with here, 150. This one 600. Then this one, let's make this 700. 700, and this one 50. So okay, so this one is a top view. So now let's save the project first. Basic commands sofa. Okay. Options, change the one. Let's see. Okay. Now let's go to create tab, and then extrusion. We're gonna be making the backrest by creating a rectangle under the extrusion command. So you can choose to create a line or rectangle. It's just the same. So, but then if you decided to create a line, you can do so. And then, okay. So you can see here, let's change to shaded, fine, shaded, here, fine, shaded. Okay. Now let's create another extrusion command. Here, click on rectangle, then check. Another extrusion command, rectangle, check. Another extrusion command, rectangle, check. Okay. so now this is the 3D of the sofa that we have created, and then now let's go to front view. Let's create another reference plane. So RP, and then RP, another RP. So dimension from here to here, from here to here, and then from here to here. We'll modify later if there's something else that we need to adjust, but for now, okay, let's make this 100. Let's make this 450, and then let's make this 700. Let's see. Okay. So here will be the seat. We click here and then lock it. Click here, lock it. Click here. Let's make another RP. Dimension. Click here. Let's make 600. So you can see here. Click here, lock it. And you drag it, and then click here, lock it. And then for the back rest, you can select him here or this one. So this is going to be the back. Click here, lock it. So if you're not satisfied with the sofa, you can adjust dimensions. So for example, make this this one. If you would like to raise this up, lock it, and then lock it, and lock it. So let's try to make another one, RP. Remove constraints, then lock it. Then let's copy this, copy from here. Copy. Lock that. Lock it. Let's change this to strength. If you would like to adjust the height of the backrest, click here, change to 900. Okay. So now we have a basic sofa.